Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. And if you're watching again for the first time, thanks for tuning in. I'd like to say thank you to everybody that subscribed to my channel. Thanks for your comments. And a special thanks to my son who's been working hard to make this channel possible. I love you, my son. So today I'll be showing you how I make my homemade pineapple juice. So it's all natural, no preservatives, no sugar, just natural products. And that's the best way you can drink your juice. So I'll be using a whole fresh pineapple, ginger, some fresh lime, and some honey. So guys, we're gonna start by washing our hands. Make sure your hands are clean. And we're gonna wash our pineapple and ginger and lime as well. Make sure you get every corner of the ginger because sometimes it's a root, so naturally there'll be little dirt in the creases. So you make sure it's nice and clean. I'm peeling my pineapple. So normally I never throw these, I save them to plant. I have a little garden in the back, so I'll give you a sneak peek. So guys, I have this, and this is what I do. I just take all the leaf from the bottom of the pineapple off, just like this. Just like this. But be careful, there's some little prickly things. You don't want them to stick you. So just take it all off. And I cut these off. And I just set it in water for a week or 2 weeks. And as soon as it starts forming roots, I transplant it to my garden. So look at it, there's no roots. And this one, the root is starting to form already. And here's one more. And I'll take you outside really quick to show you what I've planted already. So let's go. So this is what I've planted. These are only few days. I just transplanted them and they're nice and green and they're looking so healthy. So I'm not sure how long this will take to grow and to blossom, but you know, hopefully I'll have a pineapple farm soon. So you know pineapple is loaded with a whole bunch of vitamin C that is good for your body. It helps to boost your immune system, and it's loaded with enzymes that is very good for your digestion. And pineapple also has its own unique flavor and taste. So I'll be using the skin to make my pineapple juice. So now that it's peeled, I'm going to split it in half. And I'll be removing the core. So in a medium pot, and I have about 2.5 cups of water, and I'm going to put all the skin from the pineapple, just dump it in. It's too much. And I think I need a little bit more water. And I'm going to crush my ginger a little bit. Just chop it a little bit. Put everything in the pots. So now guys, we're going to go ahead and boil your pineapple skin for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just enough to get it soft. You don't want to overboil it because you don't want to kill all the vitamins. If you overboil it, then it's not no use. Just enough to soften the skin. It's already boiled for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start transporting to my blender. It's a little bit hot, but it's okay. So I'm pouring a little bit of the juice, the water, this, and we're gonna add the honey. And we don't need to add too much honey because the pineapple is already sweet. So this is for the entire drink. Go ahead and cover it. Make sure you squeeze all the juice out. See how yellow it is and rich? Look. Squeeze all this juice out. Your vitamin C. So guys, I will blend in my second batch, and I'm going to take the juice I've made from the first batch and I'll dump it in. And then we're going to strain it again. So make sure you get every bit of this juice out. You don't want to waste a good pineapple drink. So if you haven't done so, please subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon. Leave a comment. So now I'll be adding a few limes. You know, lime makes everything taste good. But if you don't have limes, you can use lemon. So just squeeze it in your bowl with your juice. It's looking great, guys. We're gonna mix it around. Look at it, look at the color. Don't worry about these because we're gonna strain it again. So now I'm gonna use a different. This one is very small, so all these particles will not go in your juice. So go ahead and pour it out. Okay. Look at it. Very beautiful. Very refreshing. So you know what would go great with this? If you have some coconut rum or vodka. But I prefer coconut rum. So I'm going to transfer to my lemonade jug. So look at it. And I'll put it in the fridge to cool for an hour or so. So thank you guys. So there you have it, guys. My homemade pineapple juice, all natural. So if you like my video, let me know by giving me a comment, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Take care.